This is another laptop for a Dell laptop for a short dead issue. See the adapter ampere. When we connect the adapter, check the impedance. Here the impedance. Laptop is short. This is a common issue. Let's open and check. Now we are replacing some components in this laptop. There is a one MOSFET shorting, one PF shorting, and charging IC also corroded. All three components replaced. Let's check. This is a DC power supply. It's taking 0.014 amp. Laptop not on. We have to on this laptop with the help of negative switch. Let's see, because laptop is on, display is coming. There is a spot on this display. This is the issue. No issue. Today's problem is solved. Thank you.